Setting up Wells Fargo Direct Deposit is a convenient way to receive your paycheck, government benefits, or other payments directly into your account. To get started, you will need to gather some information and follow a few simple steps. First, you will need to have a Wells Fargo checking or savings account that is eligible for direct deposit. If you do not have an account, you can visit the Wells Fargo website or stop by a local branch to open one. Next, you will need to obtain your account number and routing number. Your account number can be found on your account statement or on the bottom of your checks. The routing number is also located on the bottom of your checks or on the Wells Fargo website. To set up direct deposit, you will need to provide your employer or the relevant government agency with your account information. You can do this by filling out a direct deposit form, which can usually be obtained from your employer or the agency. The form will ask for your name, address, account number, and routing number. You can also set up direct deposit online through the Wells Fargo website. To do this, log into your account and navigate to the Account Services section. From there, you can select the option to set up direct deposit and enter your employer or government agency information. Another option is to use the Wells Fargo mobile app to set up direct deposit. Simply log into the app, select the account you want to use for direct deposit, and follow the prompts to enter your employer or government agency information. It is a good idea to verify with your employer or the relevant government agency that your direct deposit has been set up correctly. You can do this by checking your account statement or contacting the agency directly. Best practices for setting up Wells Fargo Direct Deposit include double-checking your account information to ensure it is accurate, keeping your account information up to date, and monitoring your account regularly to ensure that your direct deposit is being made correctly. In summary, setting up Wells Fargo Direct Deposit is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and a few simple steps. By following these steps and best practices, you can start receiving your payments directly into your account and take advantage of the convenience and security that direct deposit has to offer.